Good morning, Amington Heath. We all had a good week. So it's Friday again, it's time for our celebration assembly. So we've got some certificates to give out here to some Amington aliens who've been working hard at home and at school. So our first certificate is for Sophie Denny. And Sophie has got her certificate for being a determined alien. Just dropping everything off the side here, hang on. A determined alien. She's been working hard at home on all her different skills and completing all her own learning. So Sophie, your certificate will be coming your way. Well done. The next one is for an alien in school, and that's Shimon. Shimon has been aspirational, independent, expressive and determined. Apparently he always makes the right choices. He's being self-motivated and has shown particular perseverance in PE. And Ms. Wyatt says that he has brought a smile to her face every day. So well done, Shimon. Another Year 6 alien is Effie. Effie has been super curious. She's been asking lots of questions and researching things, trying to find out lots of new information. So keep it up, Effie. Then going down to our littler aliens, down in reception, we have got Darcy. Darcy has been aspirational. She's adapted really well to the new routines in school. She's been listening. She's been going to lunch sensibly and following instructions. So well done, Darcy. You need to keep that up as well. And we've got a certificate for Olivia. Olivia has been working really hard in school. She's been truly aspirational with all her learning and contributing to group discussions. She's been aiming high and been determined to learn her times tables. Well done, Olivia. And then we've got one for Evie. Eve has been a determined alien. She's been showing resilience every day, working really hard regardless of what subject it is. Even when she felt a little bit sad, she still gave all her effort in lessons and ends the day with a smile. Well done, Evie. And our final certificate is for Alice for being an expressive alien. She's been really creative, performing puppet shows and encouraging others to join in class. So well done, Alice. Keep up that storytelling. So we haven't got many certificates this week. Hopefully next week we'll have even more because we're going to be welcoming back some of our little learners into our rainbow bubble. So we've got some more children. And then the week after we're hoping we'll have some Year 5 children join us as well. So as we're opening to more children, we'll have more certificates and more Amington aliens. So well done everyone. Keep up the good work at home, keep up the good work at school, and make sure you're sending your teachers lots of emails to tell us what you've been doing. Take care, stay safe.